OneTrust for Business full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are included in the description if you'd like to explore features, pricing, or start a free trial. OneTrust is a market-leading platform built to help organizations manage privacy, security, data governance, and compliance at scale. Designed for privacy officers, CISOs, compliance teams, and legal departments, OneTrust offers an extensive suite of tools covering everything from data mapping, cookie compliance, consent management, and privacy impact assessments to third-party risk management, incident response, ESG reporting, and ethics programs. Its key strength is how it brings together these disciplines into a centralized platform, enabling organizations to automate and align their trust, compliance, and governance initiatives. Notable features include automated data discovery and classification across cloud and on-prem environments, AI-powered privacy workflows, customizable assessments, vendor risk profiling, and robust reporting dashboards. OneTrust also supports a wide range of global privacy frameworks, including GDPR, CCPA, ISO 27001, HIPAA, and more, making it ideal for multinational companies that need to stay audit-ready across jurisdictions. The platform's modular approach allows organizations to scale gradually, start with privacy management, then expand into GRC, ESG, or third-party risk as needed. Its integrations are strong, with support for platforms like Salesforce, Microsoft 365, AWS, and many popular CIEM and DLP tools. OneTrust's biggest strength lies in its comprehensive coverage and continuous innovation, including AI and machine learning for data intelligence, risk scoring, and automation. However, its broad scope can also be a challenge. Initial setup can be complex, especially for smaller teams, and navigating the interface requires onboarding and training. While highly customizable, configuration can be time-consuming without technical support or a dedicated implementation team. The pricing is also at the higher end, which reflects its enterprise-level capabilities, but may be a stretch for smaller organizations. Still, for mid-sized to large enterprises that need robust privacy, risk, and compliance tools all in one place, OneTrust delivers exceptional value and future-proof capabilities. In summary, OneTrust is a comprehensive, powerful platform for managing privacy, security, and trust across the enterprise. If you need a scalable, globally compliant, and integrated approach to privacy and risk, it's one of the best solutions on the market. Links in the description will help you learn more or book a demo.